Business that makes money while you sleep. Realistic ways in 2026. Imagine waking up in the morning, you grab your phone, open your bank app, and while you were sleeping, money came in, not from your boss, not from overtime, but from something you built once, and it kept working all night. Sounds like a dream? But for thousands of people across America, this is just a normal morning. Today, I'll show you real businesses that run while you sleep. No hype, no fake gurus, just realistic models people are using right now. And the best part? You don't need millions to start. 0-20, 1-10. Emotional setup. Most people are trapped in a simple formula. Work hours get paid. If you stop working, the money stops. That's why millions of Americans feel stuck in the 9-to-5 cycle. But wealthy people follow a different rule. They build systems that work for them. A system doesn't get tired. A system doesn't sleep. A system doesn't ask for vacation. And once that system is running, money can come in 24 hours a day. Let's break down the most realistic businesses that can do this. Digital products business. 110. 3. The first business is selling digital products. This is one of the fastest growing online businesses in the United States because once you create the product, you can sell it unlimited times. Examples include online courses, templates, ebooks, presets, Notion planners, digital art, resume templates. Let's say you create a $29 productivity template. If 10 people buy it today, you make $290. If 1,000 people buy it this month, that's $29,000. And the crazy part? You made the product once. After that, the internet sells it for you. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Shopify handle the payments automatically. So someone in California could buy your product at 3 a.m. while you're sleeping in Texas. That's the power of digital products. YouTube automation. 3. 5. The second business is YouTube automation. Most people think you need to show your face on YouTube. You don't. Thousands of channels are built using voiceovers, stock footage, editors. Instead of doing everything yourself, you build a small content team. Here's how it works. Step 1. You pick a niche like finance, business, tech, history. Step 2. A scriptwriter writes the video. Step 3. A voice artist records it. Step 4. An editor creates the video. You publish the video. And YouTube pays through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. One video can earn money for years. Some videos made in 2020 are still generating revenue today. That means even when you're asleep, your content is still working. Affiliate marketing. 5. 7. The third business is affiliate marketing. This is when you recommend a product and earn a commission when someone buys it. For example, let's say you review a $100 product. If the company pays a 10% commission, you make $10 per sale. Now imagine 100 people buy it. That's $1,000. Affiliate marketing works extremely well with YouTube, blogs, TikTok, Instagram, because people search for things like best laptop for students or best budget camera. When they click your link, you earn money, even if you're sleeping. Many bloggers in the US make six-figure incomes purely from affiliate links. Print on demand. 7. 9. The fourth business is print on demand. This is one of the easiest e-commerce businesses to start. Here's how it works. You design graphics for products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, but you don't keep inventory. When someone buys your design, a company prints the product, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. You never touch the product. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, Teespring handle everything. Your job is only design and marketing. So if someone orders a shirt at midnight, The system processes it automatically. That's another business running while you sleep, selling software or apps. 9, 10, 30. Another powerful sleep income business is software tools. Even small tools can generate serious money. Examples include productivity apps, AI tools, Chrome extensions, automation tools. A simple tool that costs $5 per month. If 5,000 people subscribe, that's $25,000 per month. And software scales infinitely. The same product can serve 10 users or 10 million users. Once it's built, it runs automatically. 10:30, 11:30, reality check. Now let's be honest, none of these businesses are instant money. At the beginning, you will work a lot. Building the system takes effort. But once the system is built, it can work for you for years. That's the difference between working for money and building something that prints money over time. 11:30, 12, ending plus CTA. So if you want a life where money can come in, even while you sleep, stop focusing only on jobs. Start building assets. A video is an asset. A digital product is an asset. A website is an asset. And one day, you might wake up, check your phone, and see the notification everyone dreams about. You made money while you were sleeping. If you want more videos about online business, money, and building freedom, subscribe. Because the next video might show you the exact blueprint to start your first online business.